Hi, I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I'm going to do another, hopefully quick get ready with me, with some more products that are Latina, Latino, Latinx founded, focused brands in honor of Hispanic Heritage Month. I'll post the dates here as to when that's supposed to be. We're currently celebrating it as I'm filming this in the United States, so here we go. But my face is already cleansed, it's been moisturized. I'm just going to put a little something under my eyes first, and then we'll begin. Okay, there have been a lot of interesting new products that have come out in 2024, and I'm debating whether I have enough material to even create a best of what few I have tried over the course of this year. So I'm still playing with that idea, and I'm currently going through the older videos of this year. We're already in October. You know, before you know it's November and December and then the new year. So it's called Dominique Cosmetics, and this is the Essential Palette. I think I showed it here not that long ago, so I haven't used it since then actually, so I'm like, you know what, I need to pull this out and use it. So here's the lovely packaging, very sleek, like, oh, look at these beautiful colors, and it's called the Essentials for a reason. Some shimmers, as well as some mattes, and I dare say it's going to be so interesting to try. I can't wait to dive in. So I'm gonna try to use this as a base. This is the shade, I think it's called Positivity, which is nice. And I'm just gonna go in and just put over my, I'm doing this without any kind of primer because I want to see how it performs. But I do have a favorite of mine that she came out with a few years ago that I think it was called Cashmere or Sweater Weather. I'm not sure. I'll post a picture of it somewhere here. And it was my first introduction to the Dominique Cosmetics brand, and I actually really liked it, and it really relayed to me the concept of like sweater weather type of hard to say that 3 times fast, but the whole concept of the cozy thick sweaters that we have, we bring out when the weather starts to get a chill in the air. And I may have to look that up and see where I put that. It's somewhere in my stash. I haven't given it up because it's one of my faves. So now that I've put Positivity there, there's something called Companion, and then there's another one that's deeper. I don't know which one I want to put on. They're all so pretty. I think I'll start with, is it Companion or Complexion? I'll put the name up there. I'm not having my reading glasses on today because I'm doing my, oh, that's nice color payoff. I'm doing my eyes, so I'm not going to have my reading glasses on today because I really want to focus on doing this. And I know I kept saying, I'm going to get a mirror. Well, so much for mirror. Liking this. Color payoff is very nice. Very, very nice. And I don't have to work hard to put it on the lids, which is great because, as you may or may not know, and I've said this several times on this channel, that this is delicate eye area, very thin, very delicate skin here around the eyes, the eyelid and under the eyes. And you don't want to be pulling and tugging and trying to, you know, make the color work on or show up. And this goes on very easily. I really like that. And I'm going with this nicer brown maybe on the end. But I could use this color right here to deepen it if it doesn't come off too deep. And there is fallout, but that's okay. We're not afraid of fallout. Oh wow, this looks really, really nice. Very, very nice. Deepens and adds dimension to the one I put on. Very nice. Wow, that's really, really nice. I'm loving this pink though. And I keep going, is that really like a blush or is that an actual pink? Like eyeshadow? I'm not sure. But I really want to use it for the lid. What do you think? Or should I go in one of these shimmers? Let's see. Let me try one of these shimmers just for fun. Let's see what it does. I think I'm going to use this one here. This is called Que Linda, I believe. Which means, oh, how pretty. And it is pretty. It's gorgeous. I'm going to stamp this on out of habit because I don't use the brush very often to. Oh, but that's going on like a dream. Wow, that feels so nice. It's very smooth. Oh, that's pretty. Subtle. Very subtle. And I can go a little bit with the deepest color in here, ever so gently. Just add a little more dimension. Oh, it does. Subtle, but it works. It's interesting because, yeah, and it even lifts a little bit. Like it gives, oh, I love it. I love how it looks. Do this real quick and go under like so. Just for a hint, a suggestion of it. Again, that. And then under here. Just to add a little whisper of color. A suggestion, a little hint. Just to connect it and smooth it out. And that looks really nice. So nice. So nice. And then something to match that, because I'm wondering how much can I put on my face today. I have a cream blush here. And this is a highlighter. Okay, so this is the cream blush, also from Dominique. And this is in the shade Warm Peach. And this is her cream blush or creme blush. Look at that color payoff. Oh my gosh. It looks like a beautiful sunset. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And I love that it has a little mirror. Soft yet powerful. It reads in the mirror. I don't know if you can see that. I decided to go with my finger. My hands are clean. And plus, no one else will be using this, just moi. So, oh, it feels heavenly. I forgot the texture of this. So I'm just gonna do this like so. I'll try the blush. The brush here. It's not really, but I'm gonna try. I am gonna try. I'm not afraid of blush. I don't find blush to be the enemy. Most times, all you need is a good blush, maybe something around the eyes, if not a liner, then a mascara, and then something for the lips, and call it a day after you put on your SPF first. So this color doesn't look too bad. You know, after a season of pinks and baby pinks and neon pinks, it's refreshing to go into something maybe a little more on the orange side. Araceli. And this is called the Tequila Highlighter. Look at that bad boy right there. Let's see how it looks. Oh, it feels so soft. And again, look at that. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Now, I didn't think of adding any more, extra highlighter, but I'm gonna put a little on my brow bone of this. Just, whoa, that is everything. Oh, it's really powerful. Just gonna go in here and do this real quick just to. That is amazing color payoff. The brand KVD, formerly Kat Von D, who is a Latina and founded this company. I think it was one of the first that created specifically vegan line of makeup. So I don't know if this still works or not. I'm hoping that it has that wicked little point. Let's try this to see if it works. I tend to really like when they're very precise like this. Don't need this to see what I'm doing. Let's go. It seems to be working. Let me know in the comments below what you think and what your favorite brands are. Again, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you again so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure, and let's continue celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month. Until the next video, take care, stay safe, and stay hydrated. Bye.